Have you ever wondered what lies at the edge of the universe? It's a question that has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and dreamers for centuries. To begin exploring this idea, we first need to understand that the universe is expanding. This isn't like an explosion from a central point, but rather, space itself is stretching, causing galaxies to move away from each other. This discovery, made by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s, was revolutionary. Now, if the universe is expanding, you might imagine it like a balloon being blown up. But what's outside the balloon? Is there an edge, or does the universe go on forever? According to modern cosmology, the universe has no edge in the traditional sense. It's not expanding into something. Rather, space itself is growing. Think of the surface of the Earth. It's finite, but has no edge. If you keep walking in one direction, you'll eventually circle the globe. However, there's more complexity when we talk about the observable universe. That's the portion of the universe we can see, roughly 93 billion light years in diameter. Light from anything beyond that hasn't had time to reach us since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. So when we talk about the edge of the universe, we're really talking about the edge of what we can observe, not the edge of all existence. Scientists believe there's far more beyond our observable horizon. The cosmos could be much larger, even infinite. Some theories suggest that beyond what we see, other regions may exist with different physical laws. This idea is tied to the concept of the multiverse, where countless bubble universes might float in an even larger cosmic sea. Now, here's where things get even stranger. The farther we look into space, the further back in time we see. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are allowing us to look closer to the moment of the Big Bang than ever before. But we still can't see the beginning or the entirety of the cosmos. And what about the shape of the universe? Based on recent measurements, the universe appears to be flat, meaning parallel lines will never meet, even if extended infinitely. This suggests that the universe could be infinite in size, with no edge to find, just endless space. But could there be a physical boundary? Not likely. According to general relativity, space itself is curved by mass and energy, and the universe as a whole doesn't require a boundary to be complete. That doesn't stop people from imagining what might lie beyond. Maybe another universe, maybe a different dimension, or perhaps even something completely outside our understanding of physics. In truth, we may never know what's beyond the edge, if there even is one. But that's what makes this question so captivating. It challenges the limits of human knowledge and imagination. It reminds us how small we are in the grand scheme of the cosmos, and yet how far we've come in seeking answers to the biggest questions of all. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember that what you see is just a tiny window into a much larger and more mysterious universe. The edge might not be a place we can ever reach, but it's certainly a place our minds will continue to explore. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and comment.